Welcome to the Cooler Report. I'm going to go ahead to introduce our newest products on my right hand. This is an 8-pan Gelato display cases. Let's take a look at the overall sizes first. For the unit's overall length, they are about like 41.5 inches long. And the overall height is about like 51 inches. And the overall depth is about like 33.5 inches deep. As we can see, we have a curved glass display at the front, and also the inner side, the pan sheets, they are removable. And let's take a look at the back side and also the inner side dimensions. As we can see, the back side, we have two big sliding doors on the top, and this is a worksheet. This one can help you to put the stuff and helping customer to grab the things they want. And if you're looking down the bottoms, the compressor is mounted right here. They have a covers on it. They are removable. And they have a power switchers, controllers, and also the units have a sanitation stickers for the ETL, NSF, and also the diagrams and cost sheets. Now let's take the measurement for the inner side. For the big sliding entries, they are about like 17.5 inches wide. And depth of the unit is about like 25 inches. Overall tall about like 22 inches. The length for the inner side, they are about 39 inches in total. For this pan, you can remove it and you can clean the bottoms after you close the store. And the dimensions for that, about 13 inches long, 5.5 inches wide, and depth about 3.4 inches. For this size pan, the total common weight is about like 7 of it. And also have a smaller pan. The dimensions for it, that's about like 5.5 inches long and 5 inches wide. Entirely depth about like 2 inches. That's what be the all information about the inner side dimensions. Thank you for watching these videos. It is all the information about our products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us.